I've had a few people tell me that they like what I do with maps, so here are 5 steps to make drone-style animated maps with Google Earth, free and easy. It's gonna look something like this. All right, here we go. Launch Google Chrome, go to Google Earth. Here's the URL. I am signed in. I'll show you the version of Google Earth that I'm using. All right, step number 1, create a new project. Click File and then New Drive Project. I'm going to change the title to Google Earth Tutorial. And save that change. Step number 2, add place marks. On the upper left side of the screen, there is the Add Place Mark button. Watch me add the first place mark to the map. I'll place it right here in the water, out of the way. When you add place marks to your project, they're listed over here on the left. I'm going to rename the place mark from Untitled to Place 1. I'll add a second place mark. Rename it Place 2. Add a third place mark. Drop it in the water. Rename it Place 3. And the last one, fourth place mark, drop it in the water, out of the way, rename it to Place 4. Now your project has 4 place marks. Now, step 3, edit the place marks. Click the 3 dots to the right of the place mark and click Edit. When you do that, this will appear on the right. Scroll down and notice the Capture This View button. It's important, so I'll show it again. This is the Edit Place Mark screen and the Capture This View button. Watch carefully. I'm going to adjust my map and then assign that view to place mark number 2. For place mark 3, watch close because I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to click this right here. See the arrow flashing? That brings up the control for tilt and heading. I'm going to change the heading. Then I'll click Capture This View on place mark 3. On the final place mark, I'm going to zoom in. And I'll change the tilt. And capture that view. Another thing I should mention is that you can change the detail level on the map. There are presets like Clean, Exploration, Everything, and there's Custom. All right, step 4. Play the slideshow. Go into full screen mode by clicking the 3 dots and then the full screen mode button. Hide this left sidebar, get rid of that. And there you go, you're in full screen mode. Click the slideshow. I use the right arrow key on my keyboard to move from place mark 1, 2, 3, 4. and I use my left arrow key on my keyboard to go in reverse. Step number 5 is screen recording. Screen record your slideshow in full screen mode, and there you have a drone-style animated map. Have fun playing with Google Earth.